Welcome to EarlyActivity.com, where learning feels like play. We're here to inspire young minds through joyful, screen-free activities that spark creativity, build confidence, and support every stage of early childhood development. From magical coloring pages to interactive storybooks and creative worksheets, kids dive into a world where imagination leads the way. Parents, empower your little ones with fun pencil sketching, tracing, and hands-on learning that feels more like fun than homework. With puzzles and brain games, we help children grow smarter, one playful challenge at a time. Watch as your child lights up with joy, exploring vibrant coloring pages and activities they'll love again and again. From solo fun to group giggles, our printable resources turn any moment into a memory. Unbox learning like never before. Download 20,000 plus activities in seconds, right from your screen to your printer. Thanks for watching. Visit earlyactivity.com today to shop premium digital books or download free kids resources anytime. Let's